Hey there! Are you ready to dive into the world of investing but don't know where to start? I've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing the best investment tips for beginners that'll get you started on the right foot. First up, understand your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or just looking to grow your wealth? Defining your goals will help you choose the right investment strategy. Next, build an emergency fund. Before you start investing, ensure you have at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up. This safety net will protect you from having to sell investments at a bad time. Now, let's talk about diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This reduces risk and increases your chances of making a profit. Another tip: start with low-cost index funds or ETFs. These funds track a market index and offer broad exposure to the market with lower fees. It's a great way to get started without needing to pick individual stocks. Speaking of stocks, invest in what you know. If you understand a particular industry or company, you're more likely to make informed investment decisions. Finally, consider using a robo-advisor. These automated platforms create and manage a diversified portfolio for you, based on your risk tolerance and goals. It's a hassle-free way to get started. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, keep learning, and stay patient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing tips. See you next time.